Tired of scrolling through hundreds of organizations in Pipedrive just to find the one you actually need? It is such a time sink, right? Well, in under a minute, you can build a custom filter that shows you only the records that matter. No more hunting, just instant access. So, here is the plan. We are going to open Pipedrive, head over to the Organization section, and then I will walk you through setting up a filter from scratch. We will pick the right conditions, give it a name, and even look at a few optional settings that make this thing really powerful. All right, let us start at the very beginning. Go ahead and log into your Pipedrive account. You are probably already there, but just make sure you are on the main dashboard. Now, on the left side of your screen, you will see a sidebar. Click on Contacts. This is where all your people and companies live. But we want to focus on just the organizations today. So once you are in Contacts, click on that Organizations tab. Let the page load for just a second so all your records pop up. Notice that by default, you are seeing everything. Every single company, every client, every prospect. That is the chaos we are about to fix. Up near the top of the list, look for a button that says Filter. Go ahead and click it. A small drop-down will appear, and you want to select Add New Filter. This will open up a window titled Create New Filter. Just give it a moment to load. Here is where the magic happens. Under the section that says Match all of these conditions, you will pick the field you want to filter by. Maybe you want to see only organizations in a specific city or companies from a certain industry. Click on that first drop-down and choose your field. For example, if you pick Label, then you can select the condition. In this case, you would choose Is Exactly or Contains. It really depends on how your data is set up. Then, enter or select the value. So if you chose Label, you would pick the specific label name from the list. And here is the really important part. If you need to narrow it down even further, click the Add Condition button. You can stack multiple conditions on top of each other. For instance, show me organizations with the label Client and also those located in New York. It is incredibly specific and saves you so much time. Now, scroll down to the Filter Name field. Give your filter a clear name, something like Clients in New York. You will thank yourself later when you see it in the list. There are two optional settings here that are worth knowing about. First, choose the filter Visibility. If you want only you to see this filter, set it to Private. But if you want your whole team to benefit from it, set it to Shared. I have found that sharing well-named filters really helps everyone stay on the same page. Second, you can enable Save Selected Columns with the filter. This is a nice touch. If you always want to see the phone number and email column when you use this filter, toggle that on. It saves you from having to adjust your view every single time. Before you commit, click the Preview button. This will show you exactly which organizations match your conditions. Take a good look. Is this the list you wanted? If it looks right, you are golden. If not, you can go back and tweak the conditions. Finally, click Save. And just like that, your new filter is ready to go. The next time you need to find those specific organizations, you just click the Filter button, select your saved filter, and boom, there they are, instantly. From scrolling through hundreds of records to seeing exactly what you need in one click. That is the kind of small change that saves you hours over a week. Now go ahead, set up your first filter and take back that time.